How to fix error code 403 on Roblox. Start by pressing the Windows key and R, and now type in percentage local app data percentage. Now press OK. Look for the folder named Roblox and just right click on it, and what we're going to do is delete this folder. So the next thing we're going to do is go into our Chrome browser. We're going to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and now we're going to click delete browsing data. So in this menu you can select what you're deleting and how far back you're going to delete. I suggest deleting your cookies and your cached images and files from about 7 days ago. So another thing that may be causing this issue is actually a Chrome extension. So what we can do is go into our little extensions tab, so it's just down here. So now this is going to list every extension that we have on Chrome, so we can just go ahead and remove whichever one you think may be conflicting with Roblox. So once you follow these steps, the next thing to do is to search Roblox, and what we're going to do is open up a game, and what we're going to do is press the blue button, and that's going to launch the game. It's then going to prompt us to download Roblox, so we're just going to follow the instructions there, and then Roblox will be working again. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.